Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have
no more wings.
we have Bob Evans. Why do we have Bob Evans, my love? Fast Food Friday.
FFF in the building. You know what I'm saying?
So we've had Bob Evans before for breakfast, and we wanted to try their lunch or dinner. So I have country fried steak with mashed potato and string beans. You can't name this. A pork
no,
this.
This I'm talking about.
No, and I have a biscuit, and I have some broccoli cheddar soup, and then my husband has what is it called, banana bread, and he has macaroni and cheese, and he has steak with mushroom and gravy and onions, broccoli, and of course he has a biscuit. And this is a little dessert. It's a cinnamon biscuit, cinnamon sugar biscuit,
and then some greens,
some salad on the side.
So he said we got butter and blue cheese over there, right?
Yes.
I don't want your butter. I can't tell the butter one.
So I'm just gonna use the utensils that came with it because whatever.
I don't want that. I can't eat with that.
Oh,
you're more different from my mother. What's good with y'all? Back in the building. Oh, we have napkin over there? Oh.
The sauce is a white sauce. And you have a
we have black people
gravy.
sauce or white sauce. So black people sauce we have. Let me start with my salad and mix it up. So I can't put my salad up there?
I was thirsty.
I can put my salad up there?
Honey, it's your world. Do whatever you want.
I don't miss a presentation.
Well, if you do, I won't get mad like you did.
Yo, nobody start with me no mind.
I won't get mad like you.
No, yeah, I don't say nothing. First I love chat off my mouth. Yeah, man, got a lot of stuff. Have you think I'm gonna eat this off?
Sometimes I just wonder if you just talk just to talk. Shut.
Family. Hungry now? No, I
I
don't.
tried country fried steak last
I'm
time.
trying this too.
Oh, this is not country fried steak. This is country fried pork.
It is?
Yeah, steak ain't white.
Oh shit.
Okay.
I can't eat none of that shit. Alright, so that's a pork then. Okay.
It's chicken.
Chicken? Alright.
What
I'm not gonna give you none of my steak today because steak's small, so you could have some
is it though?
I don't know, I know you buy it. It's one mushroom right there. I'm not coming, I don't know what that.
Because they have, this is steak, country fried steak. It's steak. And they don't have country fried pork there.
Okay.
But you're not yummy anyway.
I don't want it. I don't want it, family. First day, not sure. So I'm not yummy. Man. So Bob Evan in the building.
It's pretty good.
It's good. And all this, how much was all this first lady?
$20?
See all this food? Look. All this food.
$20. And then we got 2 cookies, but no, so you're not gonna have that.
What kind of cookie?
My favorite.
Chocolate chip, where you don't eat the chip? Chocolate chip?
Yep. Chocolate chip, and I don't like the chocolate chip.
So the green bean that pork in there? Okay. Well, I did pass the place and you don't want to give me your food, you start buy the pork thing now. You want to see the family member about pork.
Pork upon pork.
4 rows of pork. I got my butter.
I'm not gonna want the biscuit though.
Biscuit, you want to give me dry biscuit?
Too much dough.
It is doughy though, but it's doughy and
It's soft.
soft. The ones something like break
Happy Friday, y'all.
Wait a minute.
Yeah.
That's not butter.
Oh, what that?
It's like a, you use for that?
Oh, but that go good too.
That's what I'm saying. Go with it too. That,
Like a glaze.
glaze.
Oh, that's nice.
Nice man. Sweet.
This is good too.
Family. I love it. Somebody want it. Every time that happens, somebody want it.
I thought I had
Who's that person that wanted? It's not me, cause that's pork. Okay.
I love the white sauce.
Honey?
And some mashed potato?
Yeah, pork already. You don't know which one, I'm gonna give me pork. People already say I give him pork already. Look.
For real?
You know what you remind me of? I'm being honest.
What?
Remember when you in school?
Oh!
And they give you the steak, the burger like this with the stuff on top of it, it look like stinging?
Yeah.
I'm being serious. Remember? Oh.
I agree. When I went to school, not high school, middle school.
That was 50 years ago.
For some reason, certain things I wouldn't eat. Like if they had fried chicken, I would eat that. If they had pizza, I would eat that. I would not eat sloppy joes. I don't like sloppy joes.
Yo.
I'm not really a fan of ground beef because if you notice, if I do make tacos, I will use ground chicken.
Listen, we gonna talk now. Did you bring up the high school thing? Family. I know, we grew up in New York, but you remember in junior high school, when it's lunchtime, nobody wanna go get the lunch because if you eat lunch food, the people make fun of you. I mean, listen, when I was in school, I used to give a lunch ticket, and the days they tell you what kind of lunch you're gonna have. As the first day said, the pizza was good. The burger was nice too. That's what it reminded me of just now, the burger. But I used to love the pizza, family.
The pizza was my favorite.
The pizza was nice. So when they had the pizza, everybody trying to hide and lick. What I mean by hide and lick, I mean they're trying to get it and then don't make nobody see it. But you know what I'm saying? If somebody see you eating at school and they make fun of you, but listen to me, yo. Everybody used to be at the table, you know? And somebody, make a ticket. Nobody want to go get the lunch. Listen to me. What? I used to hide, son, but that food was slapping up. Don't you say that? I said, wow. Yep,
I used to always do that. That's what I love. But when they had other things, then I would just eat. I would get a bag of cookies and put it in a box milk. Because you know, back then, they had the milk in a box.
Yeah.
And I would put it in there and that would be my lunch. And for breakfast, I used to love their waffles. And that was really it. And the cereal. I remember I used to wait for my sister to come home. Like, not come home. I used to wait for my sister to leave from home to come to school. And she never ate the breakfast, but she would go to breakfast every day. And I'm like, why? To hang out with her friends. So I would say, oh, go get me some waffles. She's like, I ain't getting no damn waffles.
Family, I remember I used to be so shy too. This in junior high school.
You used to be shy?
Never want to get on car. I used to like up a girl.
Oh. I want to hear the story.
No, the story gets sweet now.
I want to hear the story.
Yes, Elaine, now you want to hear the story. I'm going to tell you. Come on now. They want to hear. You want to hear? All right, I'm going to tell you because I talk to business. Yeah. So I used to be scared. Because every girl used to watch me. I mean, I want to get school lunch. No? So, I used to hide and lick. You know what I'm saying? But listen, I'm telling you back then. Yeah, man. The girls used to watch me all the time. Family, I'm going to feel it. I don't do first day reaction. You're going to watch me out. Did you have it yet? That's in junior high school. You didn't know me.
So? I'm very territorial. So that means I tell you right now. Oh.
Did have you? But yeah, back then, I don't know if everybody, like, you remember the days when we used to walk up the stairs? You remember back when New York was different? I don't know. Probably other people thought New York was different.
New York, if you're from New York, you'll totally understand. New York school is different. Yeah. It's a different breed, man.
Different breed. They used to have something called freshman Fridays when you just graduate from junior high school to go to high school. And when it's freshman day, all the freshmen they used to beat the freshmen them up. All when it's Halloween time.
Not me.
Halloween time, you can't even walk in the street, family. They demand the egg you get. They egg you. We have egg wars. We used to have egg war between each other blocks and oh my God, it was so crazy. But
I wish they would. They never did that to me.
No, they had freshman Fridays.
I know they did. I went to school just fine.
But yeah.
But I was ready.
Here's my macaroni on top now. But yeah, look. Here. You can't see. I'm unshot today. Some macaroni in the building. I don't want to drop.
Yeah. Middle school I had a great time in middle school. Although when I first started middle school, it wasn't so good. You know, but then as I grew out of my badness, it got better and better and better.
You know when you beat up the girl? Your birthday, that bad girl, look? You really didn't tell her to the girl at school?
No.
Eh?
Love talking.
Tell the story.
Then when I went to high school, it wasn't a good experience in high school.
Good, tell him the story. Give him a quick story. Look.
No, I had a somewhat good experience of high school in Philly. Cause I went to Philly for 2 years. When I came back, I went to high school in New York, and it was like, oh no,
Watch it. I'm gonna pick up a drink of water and I drink. I go drink, you know?
Yeah. I couldn't wait to get out of there. How does it taste?
See, it's nice and sweet. I don't even know what it is.
I know. Your belly's gonna run.
So what's up with y'all? We just chatting beer shit, you know what I mean? How was your junior high school and high school experience? And where's some of y'all from? We know most of some of y'all from already, but guess what? Good try.
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Good try.
Yeah, you guys. I'm not gonna lie.
I'm pissed off with y'all.
I'm kind of disappointed.
No, I know. From real talk, you know,
For real.
No more. Yo.
Oh yeah,
Yo, real talk, family. I'm disappointed with y'all.
Good.
First, they say, "What's my favorite wings?"
Not my favorite. Richie's favorite.
My favorite wings. And I said, don't say anything because I want to see if the family member know it.
That was an easy home run for everybody.
But family, man, I feel some type of way right now. You know what I mean? No, I don't like that, family. I don't like that. You gotta redeem yourself. Y'all didn't get it.
Nobody got
it. First, they said, "What's Richie's favorite wings?" And I said, no, ask the family member what's my favorite wing. Y'all did good. But not good enough, you know? But I'm just, you know what I mean? I feel, you know what I mean? Like, y'all see me, but y'all know I'm not. You know what I mean? You want to know the answer? Give them the answer first, then I'll make them still guess.
Give them the answer. You want me to give them the answer? Because we didn't talk about this.
We didn't talk about it. Give them the answer. We don't have to talk about it. You know it. That's why I said you don't have to tell them. You see?
Yeah.
Ain't nothing scripted over here. You see? We said the same thing. Go ahead, Freddie.
Richie's favorite wing, okay, from our wing-a-thon, is every single one of them.
Sam.
Every single one of them. A food family.
Food family. You know that family. I don't discriminate.
That was so easy.
Come on, that was the easiest one right now. You know what I mean? I'm ready to shout out all of y'all too. You know, every single one of y'all. Come on, family. When I was reading the comments, and I'm smiling like, damn, that's close, but that's not close enough. I know what I'm saying enough? I'm like, okay, somebody gonna get it. But nobody got it.
It's alright though. We still love you guys.
Still love y'all, you know what I'm saying? So good sometimes. So you know, I don't have a favorite for that. I just eat anything as long as it's not
pork.
Like, there we go.
You like your steak? How it tastes?
No, the steak tastes good. It tastes like the school steak. You're a good man.
I like this.
You tried it? You want to try it?
Yeah. If I had known, let me try because I never tried it in school.
Wash out your mouth first. Or the pork thing, man. Well, your mouth, people say I people pork. Keep on my cheek. Yeah. See? Look, she give me pork. Wash out your mouth.
Get out of here. Give me the steak. Let me see.
Take a steak. Let them try.
Oh, okay.
Made them try. See? Listen.
That's how it tastes in school?
No guys buy it. First they just bought my swat. No guys open their mouth over there.
What?
No guys better than open their mouth over there. Okay. Look at that. Put your hand right here. It's alright. It tastes like school. That's what I'm trying to tell you, right?
But I never had one in school.
No, it was like this, and with the same kind of gravy over it. That's what it reminded me of. I'm like, yo.
Yeah, I never had it. Like I said, I wouldn't eat. Because I used to always wonder, I don't understand how come there ain't no curry chicken.
And now I make that blood up, but the pizza, they turn up though. So you're not telling me to beat up the gal?
Nope. Another time.
Oh yeah. We go. If you want to hear that story, comment down. First they did beat up a girl. First they did a bad girl here. So but she's gonna tell you next time.
With the pizza, you know what I used to do?
You're changing the subject.
No, I'm not changing the subject. The pizza, I used to, because I don't like too much tomato sauce in my pizza. I used to squeeze out the tomato sauce. I'm weird.
Wait. Hold on. It was a round pizza. You remember saying the round one and the square one and two? The round one.
I didn't like the square one. I like the round one. I used to squeeze out the sauce. and then use a napkin and wipe it out. I know I'm weird, and then I would eat it because I really like the pineapple, the pepperoni, the cheese, and the crust. I love crust.
First, I don't like the sauce.
I don't like too much saucy. And it's weird because I love gravy. We love gravy, but not that kind of sauce. Can't manage that.
Can't manage that one. But yo, this is good though. It's good, but it just reminds me. That's why I started like, okay.
Okay. I'm gonna be honest. This is our first time eating it. I probably won't eat it again. Actually, I won't eat it again. How about you?
Me, yummy.
No. For me, it's good. But I feel like
it's not.
It's like it's like kiddish food. If that makes sense. Like the macaroni and cheese, you can tell that it's from a package. And there's nothing wrong with that. It's just something. Sometimes I want something. What to your mom?
Onion. Yeah, I hear you saying.
Sometimes if I'm gonna eat fast food, I just want something.
Yeah.
But it is delicious though. It is good. It is good. Cause I ate it.
It mean I won't kill myself to go back out there. That's what we trying to say. Yeah.
Okay. Like it's not something like I'm like, oh my god.
Yeah, we have to get it again.
Like for example, ever since we did the Indian food.
We've been craving that joint.
Every Friday, I'm like, honey, what you want to eat for Fast Food Friday? And he's like, I want Indian food. I want Indian food. I'm like, honey, we already had that. We got to give it a break. We don't people get tired of like Indian food again.
Nice.
So we're probably going to have Indian food very soon because Richie and I have been craving it. I mean, that food was delicious.
See, real talk.
Delicious.
But don't get me wrong. Their food is good and actually their breakfast is good too.
Yeah.
But if you have this around, I mean.
Try it.
Try it. Everybody's opinion is different, but I'm saying we won't kill ourselves to go back out the way to go get it. But you know what I mean? If we feel it, we go get it. But we're not like something, oh, we got to get there.
Yeah.
No. But it is right. It is good though. It's season right, but you know, not to our par, but it's good.
That's why we only eat Fast Food Fridays on Fridays. Because, trust me, we
like our cooked food, you know? Do y'all like when we cook our own food?
We like our cooked food.
Let us know if you like when we cook our own food. No? But just try to do different things, just try to show some different stuff, you know?
Yeah.
I mean, we cook more cooked food than we buy regular food, you know? You know that, right?
Yep.
You full? Once you go like that, it's over.
I'm excited. The Australian Open is starting. You know what that means? I'm going to be by the TV watching tennis all day. Tomorrow I'm making some soup. I'm going to chill, do some cleaning.
Family.
My husband got to go to work.
You know where we at right now? We at Dubai.
I can't stand you. You're so annoying.
No. You finished? He said, huh? We appreciate y'all. Excuse me. Oh! I tell you, y'all slipping. Y'all let me done in the video like that, and I didn't give you the word of what? Come on now, you see?
Wisdom.
That's what I'm trying to tell y'all. Y'all not messing with me like that no more. See, y'all used to mess with me, but now it's all good though. Now, y'all get me mad. I don't want to get mad. I get mad. I don't want to eat my food.
Yeah.
All right. Listen now. Listen now, family.
Okay, I saw when Richie got mad.
Listen now. Serious note, I want y'all to listen and listen carefully. And if y'all could definitely relate to this one first, I want you to listen too. Because I didn't tell you about this one.
I always listen.
I know you listen,
sure.
But I want them to relate and tell me if that's somewhere.
No, you didn't offer me none of the salad.
You don't want none. Some put the salad and say you don't want none. You say you don't want none. And tell me if it's in the right way and if I pick some right ones, you know? Alright. I want you to listen, okay? Chatty, Shanice. 8 things to remember when you're going through tough times. Number 1, everything can and will change. Okay. Number 2, you've overcome challenges before, right? You listening, First Lady? Sure, listen.
Stop asking me.
Tom, you listen, Tom?
Sure.
Number 3, it's a learning experience.
True.
Number 4, getting what you want can be a blessing. Number 5, allow yourself to have some fun. Number 6, being kind to yourself is the best medicine. Number 7, Other people negativity is worth worrying about. Is it worth worrying about? Right? What number was that? 7. Number 8. And there is always, always, always something to be thankful for. So if y'all could relate to that, if it was some good picks, let me know. You know what I'm saying? What do you think? So, back to us, we shared with y'all. We appreciate y'all. If you're new, we are the greedy couple, and they are chatty Shanice.
Go ahead. Mine enough. We are the greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there. And we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang.
Bye.